Hello, I'm Vidhee.
And myself Nidhi.
Do you want to suffer long after you get retired? No, so what will you do? Probably invest in share market, right? I'm here to tell you about EPS. EPS means earning per share, which will help you in share market.
Let's see what is EPS. EPS means earning per share. It is an important financial measure which indicates the profitability company. Now let's see what is uses of EPS. EPS indicates how much money a company makes for each profit. It's widely metric assembly profit.
Now I'll tell you about P ratio. Now you might be thinking P means physical education, but no. Here P means price to earnings. It is one of the most widely used stock market terms and tools in the investment playbook. A good P ratio is between 20 to 25. P ratio formula is equal to share price upon EPS. Let's say you want to calculate the P ratio for Apple. For the sake of this example, let's pretend the current stock price of Apple is $150.50 and its EPS is $6.10. By plugging those numbers in the P ratio formula, you'll get 24.67, which is within the market average. You can use this formula to buy a company's stocks. Thank you.